In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on TradingView. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You can do this on any modern browser and you don't need to install anything. If you have an account, feel free to sign in so your watch lists and chart layouts load automatically, but it's not required just to capture a screenshot. Once the homepage loads, look for the main chart area or use the search bar to find the market you want to view. Next, select stocks and open the full chart so you're working in the detailed charting interface rather than a small preview. If you're on a symbol page, look for the button that says Full Featured Chart or a similar option. This opens the chart workspace with all the toolbars, indicators, and timeframes. Take a moment to set up what you want to capture. Choose the time frame, zoom to the price action you care about, and toggle any indicators or drawing tools you want visible. Anything you see on screen right now is what the screenshot will include, so it's worth a quick check for clarity and readability. When you're ready, go to the top right corner of the chart and click the Take a Snapshot button. It usually looks like a small camera icon. TradingView will generate an image of your current chart exactly as it appears, including your time frame, indicators, drawings, and the current visible price scale. Keep in mind, it won't include elements outside the chart area, and it captures only what's on your screen at that moment. After you click the snapshot button, you'll see several sharing options. Download, image saves a local file to your device, which is great for reports, presentations, or record keeping. Copy image places the chart directly on your clipboard, so you can paste it into a document, chat, or email without saving a file first. Copy link creates a shareable URL hosted by TradingView. Use this if you want someone to open the chart image in their browser without sending a file. Open in New tab loads the image in a separate browser tab, which is handy if you want to preview it or save it manually. Tweet image lets you share the snapshot straight to your social profile with one click. Before sharing publicly, double check that the visible chart doesn't include anything you don't want to disclose, like personal notes in the chart area. And that's it. Visit TradingView, open the full chart for your chosen stock, click the snapshot button in the top right, and then pick the sharing method that suits your needs. With these simple actions, you'll capture clean, consistent screenshots every time.